In this video, I am going to show you for the first time how to purchase ArcGIS Pro license. Okay, so first of all, let's go to Google and search for ArcGIS Pro purchase. You will see different options here. Esri pricing for ArcGIS Pro. Let's try this. And here it says ArcGIS Pro. Let's click Buy Now. It has three options: Creator option, Professional option, Professional Plus option. If you scroll down, it provides what packages or what benefits are included under each category. I'm going to show you for Professional one. In each of these categories, you'll get 500 online credits for ArcGIS Online. Okay, I'm going to put one, add to cart. I'm going to click go to cart. It asks me continue to check out. Okay, continue to check out, but I need to create an account. I do not have account, so what I'll do, create an ArcGIS public account. Name and email. And then I should be agreeing to this stuff and then click next. It says an activation link has been sent to your email. So I will create this link and it is taking me to set up this page. Okay, username. So this username is already taken. Let me try another name. Password. And it asks you to write a security question and choose answers. Okay. Write something like this. Then create account. Account created. Okay, and here I need to write my organization's name. Okay, let's just continue to check out. Okay, with taxes and VAT 4389. Customer information is here. What is the customer reference number? I don't know. Customer reference number. Payment inter credit card. Okay, so I'll put my information on the credit card. Until that, let me pause this recording. Okay, so I put my information here and then where it says I agree to these terms and conditions and submit order. It says, thank you, your order is confirmed. And here's the order ID. And you'll receive emails from Esri about the receipt and other process. So here it says next step, what you can do. It has three, check your email inboxes for 3 emails with purchase summary, order fulfillment, and order invoice. And here, access your purchase in My Esri. So now you purchased, you need to go to My Esri and log in there using your credential and you can access that. So let's click access your purchase. Then what it shows, it is taking me to my Esri login stuff and I need to sign in using my credentials because I already signed in probably, so that's why it's not asking me to do that. And here I can get access to Esri. You see overview, get connected, account setting, store payment, store purchases. And here it says, it shows my license, ArcGIS Online Professional User Type Annual Subscription. And then I can activate my subscription. And here it says activate ArcGIS Online So I can activate my ArcGIS Online by clicking activate subscription, and here it says how to set up ArcGIS Pro. So ArcGIS Pro is a desktop software. So you should download this software and install it on your computer. And here are the process. Okay. And it says if you are a new ArcGIS professional user, don't have an ArcGIS Online organization, you follow this step. If you have an ArcGIS Online and you want to add GIS professional user types, then here are steps. If you already have an ArcGIS Online organization and you want to add ArcGIS Pro, here are the steps, right? So which category you fall, and then you follow. So basically you can just click on one of these download options and then try installing it. I'm a new ArcGIS professional user. I do not have an ArcGIS Online organization. So what I need to do is I need to create and activate an ArcGIS Online organization, which is here, ArcGIS Online Professional User Type. So I need to activate this, right? Let's activate this subscription. What it says, activate subscription. Then it is taking me to another window. Activator organizational subscription by converting an existing ArcGIS Pro account. So it has two options. I want to convert because I already have an account for this one. So it is already selected by default. Click next. And I'm gonna put my username and password. And if you are in your device, you could keep this, keep me signed in. Okay, then creating an ArcGIS Online profile and activating that. If you are using your university's ArcGIS account, you do not need to go through this process. But if you are purchasing ArcGIS Pro professional license separately, then you could do this. And here are the information that you can provide. Region Canada, link. If there's anything else. And then save and continue. Okay, so this is my ArcGIS Online page. I can see 500 credits. Okay, and then I can go to store purchase here. And because I activated that, now I can click on download ArcGIS Pro. And it takes me to this page. Downloads ArcGIS Pro core products. Right, let's click this. I have to read and accept the terms and conditions. Accept. And you just check your system requirements before you install. And then here you can see different product components, ArcGIS Pro, and here are different versions. So here are other versions, but which one I would download would be, first of all, ArcGIS Pro. So you download this from here. Save. It says 20 minutes. We can do other patches later on, but for now, you download this and you install. I will show you later on. Okay, after the download is finished.